Hey, how's it going? I'm Maz, and I'm going to be showing you how to use our AI resume builder to create beautiful and tailored resumes. Cool. So once you sign up to the website, you'll be able to essentially go to the document section and create a new resume. Let's say this is my existing resume, and the senior business analyst, a couple of work experiences, education, and skill. All I need to do is simply to just upload this, and then I'll be given an option of choosing from multiple templates. For now, our templates are very simple, but we will be adding more templates very soon. So keep checking to use the new templates if you would like to. So let's say I'm going to use this template. So on the right, we have the document. This is our template currently, and on the left, you have my resume uploaded there. And essentially, you can just click submit. That's going to start inserting the content of my resume into that template. You can see that the template will be streamed in, and all my summary experiences and skills were added. So I can also manually edit this, and also a version is created for this resume. So you can see that that is the current version. And let's say I don't like this, or I think it's too long, or I want to get rid of this one. You can simply delete that, or you can change any other setting here. You can play with the fonts and the bullets and that kind of stuff. So let's say once you're in a space that, okay, you like this, and I've got a summary now. I want to tailor this summary to sound better for a data science role. So I'm going to say, update my summary to sound better for a data science role. So I'm just making up things here. You might not really have data science skill in this case, but you would have different skills, and essentially just by asking and prompting our AI, you'll be able to get the AI to make the changes. So yeah, that is an example, and simply I can then press download here, and then I'll be given a PDF which I can use to submit my application. So that was pretty easy. Now let's say you're applying to jobs, and you come across a job, and for example, this is one of the jobs that I want to apply to. I'm going to take these descriptions, and for example, say these important descriptions, and I'm going to copy it and go back there and say, tailor my latest resume to this role. Again, this is all just examples. I'm just trying to give you an idea of how you can use the resume builder. So you can see that the summary was updated, and just by simply going back and forth between the versions, you'll be able to see exactly what has been changed. So yeah, that was a quick intro to our AI resume builder. Feel free to give it a try and let us know if you want any new features, or if you had any thoughts. We would really appreciate it. Thank you.